WCPT was founded in 1951. The day marks the unity and solidarity of the global physical therapy community. In 1996, WCPT designated 8th September as World Physical Therapy Day. It is an opportunity to recognize the work that physical therapists do for their patients and community.
Medicine can help you add taste to life, whereas physical therapy can help you add life to taste.
I'm an hardware engineer. So I had a very bad back pain. It was really horrible. So I was not able to walk, and even I was not able to sit properly for at least some half an hour like that. So the situation was very bad, and I shown to many medical hospitals, and they recommended many of them recommended to the surgery.
I was in a very bad state, unable to walk. I was advised to complete bed rest by orthopedic surgeon.
Firstly, I had a lot of back pain because of cricket, dance, badminton, and etc.
I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in 2019, because of which I had a significant disability with a loss of sensation and strength in the right side of my body, both hands and leg. First thing, it was really difficult for me to accept what I have lost because I had no strength. I couldn't even eat it in my own hands. I couldn't hold a spoon, and then I couldn't walk without anybody's support. So these things is what I faced. I was hospitalized. I was under steroids for some time. I was under a proper medication.
For our knee problems,
I do a lot of typing, and because of that I had developed tenosynovitis, and I approached orthopedician, and he informed me to undergo surgery after completion of a course. If the tablets did not work, he advised me to go for a surgery, and I said okay, let's see. So I finished the course, but unfortunately the pain did not reside, so I had to again approach orthopedician, but I was not ready for the surgery, so he advised me to approach physiotherapist.
When I met with an accident, my shoulder bone was fractured and I could not do my routine work without the help of others.
I got a severe shoulder pain.
Post-discharge from the hospital, I was being advised by my neurosurgeon to take physiotherapy.
After healing, I attended the physiotherapy class.
I have consulted.
But blindly I decided to go to only physiotherapist. Okay.
At first, I didn't know what exactly is physiotherapy, and they said physiotherapy is must.
I was advised to meet a physiotherapist.
Then I reached out to them. They told me you have got the medications in time and you have to do physiotherapy. It will be recovered. You will have your own senses, the sensation in your right hand, the strength will recoup, and everything is going to be fine. Just do the exercise that what I have taught you. With this faith, first thing is with physiotherapy, what I received, what I got was first is confidence, and they told me how much to push and how much not to. I mean, how much that I can exercise, where I have to restrict. So individually, one-to-one basis, they're going to give you exercise based on your health conditions. So it's not generic; it's specific to your health, your body condition. So that's the major point. It's not a generic exercise, and when you do that, when you repeat those exercises taught by physiotherapists during the course of the day, and you can see the significant changes or the improvement in your health conditions. That's first thing. I think from October 2nd or in the October last year 2019, I started my treatment. I started taking physiotherapy. In about a month, there was a significant improvement in my legs and in my hands, and I could walk fairly for about 5 minutes without anybody's support. I could do a lot of things with my right hand. So first thing, physiotherapy has really helped me in this recovery. It has given me the strength. It has helped me to improve my sensation also, because when I had a problem with my sensation, I was asked to hold mud sand for a while and do an exercise with sand. So they are very specific, they are tailor made, it's based on your body conditions, and that's one thing. Physiotherapy actually helped me recuperate my confidence, because after medications, when I was not having the enough strength, I was totally devastated. I was worried, and with these exercise, slowly and gradually over a period of time, the health improves. A lot of things changes for better, and this is what I've received with physiotherapy.
I was a little skeptical about physiotherapy. Will this really completely treat the disorder that I had, or the tenosynovitis, which was really giving me so much of pain? Initially, I did not even allow him to touch because it was so much of pain. But finally, he had a trust in himself. The way he approached me, the way he started treating, I started developing trust in him, and I followed all the instructions that is given by him each and every day. And I guess within a week's time, the pain was vanished. So I felt this was a miracle, because I never had pain ever after that treatment. So I think that we all can really rely on physio therapy treatment, which really does wonders. So basically, we need to follow their instructions, and we need to have trust in ourselves and trust in the physiotherapist. And I think this will really do wonders. And also, I would like...
Physiotherapy has helped me a lot.
I have been working for the last 10 years. I have been able to travel and visit temples all over India.
He gave me some of exercises.
He will make you understand the problem, and he will treat you without any medicines or any surgery. And not only he will treat you, and he will make sure that the problem will not occur in the future.
And gave me a big relief. Now I can do all my routine works without the help of anybody.
Now I was doing my regular household works, and even I am continuing the exercises the same as we told. Now it feels quite relief, and I can manage my mobility and function much better. It was really helpful to me.
I started physiotherapy, and it took really more time, to be frank, because physiotherapy definitely take time, but it's really good practice actually. It relieved, physiotherapy relieved me a lot. So now I'm on physiotherapy and I'm doing it regularly. It's really very good without surgery. Okay, I'm able to walk now for more than half an hour. I can walk continuously. There is no issue. Even I started running also. There is no issue.
But I came to doctor, and doctor treated me for nearly 2 to 3 weeks, and after that I was fine. So now I'm also playing badminton, cricket, I'm also doing dance.
Yatindra Babu.
Dr. Babu, who was a physiotherapist.
Dr. Yatindra.
Dr. Yatindra Babu, one of the best physiotherapists in Bangalore.
He has very vast experience in this area, and he is very patient friendly.
Treated me very well.
I would like to wish all of you who are watching this video a happy Physiotherapy Day.
And today is World Physiotherapy Day.
Wish you a very happy and healthy World Physiotherapy Day.
Happy Physiotherapy Day.
Wish you a happy World Therapist Day.
I wish you all for World Physiotherapy Day.
Happy World Physiotherapy Day.
Everyone, happy World Physiotherapy Day to all.
Dr. Babu, I once again thank you so much for all your patience, for all the kind words, the positive words that you were always speaking to me, and that really helped me a lot to cure mentally as well as physically.
Especially I really have to thank to Mr. Babu, Physio Zone. So he helped me a lot to get relieved my pain, and now I'm really normal.
I'm really thankful to Babu sir. In this whole process, he has helped me very much, and the exercises were very helpful to me, and he emphasized on the exercise, he emphasized on the muscle body or the fitness. So over a period of time, it really helped me.
So keep doing the good work, Dr. Babu.
Thank you.
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 Thank you very much.
Thanks to Babu.